So this panel was on climate adaptation and resilience solutions and how to scale them up. I think this is a very timely panel because we see that a lot of focus in climate tech has been on mitigation, and rightly so. But now I think we are all very clear that we need adaptation and building of resilience amongst communities and through tech solutions to be scaled up. So this panel got together a lot of diverse voices in the space, right from ecosystem enablers, investors, and startups on the ground doing a lot of diverse tech solutions. I think the panel talked about very positive trends in the adaptation and resilience space. There was a general consensus amongst the panelists that the space is getting more attention. There are good businesses that are coming up with good business use cases that are scaling up, and so the overall outlook was positive, which is great. One of the key learnings, I think, was that we do need a lot more understanding and knowledge in the space on what constitutes adaptation and resilience, and we need more finance flows and different kind of financing models.
Understood, ma'am. We spoke about adaptation and resilience in a industry where founders have to think long term and have to be logged in for a longer period of time usually. How do you advise founders to be optimistic and to still invest their time and efforts into this industry?
Traditionally, we've seen that impact startups or climate impact startups are looked at as long-term ROI. But today in the panel, it was also highlighted that there are many businesses now in the space that have quick returns and commercial returns and are scaling up. So I don't think climate tech only needs long-term patient capital. That's one. The second portion of it is that I think the investment flows are increasing to a large scale. Like 150% more finance was channeled into adaptation and resilience, which is a large jump. And so this sector is a sunrise sector that's going to only grow. And so it's a great time and opportunity to be in this sector.